The Anderson Power Pole Insertion and Extraction Tool, the biggest waste of $10 in amateur radio history. Here's why on K8MRD Radio Stuff. So for many years, I've been using a humble flathead screwdriver to insert and extract my Anderson power poles. It's quite easy. Need to insert one? Simply press the flathead screwdriver against the back of the metal Anderson power pole crimp and simply push it into the housing. Need to extract it? Just as easy. You're gonna take the flathead, you're gonna insert it into the front of the power pole, slide it underneath the lip, kind of pry out the metal crimp part and push it out of the housing. Done and done. But recently this year I decided to start building and selling my battery boxes known as Big Geek. I'm going to be using a lot of power poles, so I decided to pick up the Anderson Power Pole Insertion Extraction Tool from DX Engineering. Now this is not a knock on DX Engineering. I love DX Engineering. I buy all of my Anderson Power Poles from DX Engineering. But I bought this in hopes that it would make my life easy, and well, it's just a pile of garbage. It's advertised to make the insertion and extraction of the Anderson Power Pole easy, and I've found that it's been anything but. It's designed in a way that makes it look like it's gonna wrap around the wire and be easy to push in, when in all reality, it's such a small radius that anything but the smallest wires aren't gonna fit in it. Inserting an Anderson Power Pole with this tool is actually harder, I find, than with my flathead screwdriver. Extraction, don't even get me started on that. I still haven't figured that out. You can kind of insert the tool into the housing and kind of pry up the crimp part of the power pole. So I just can't find any good reason to use or to purchase or to recommend this tool. It's a waste of time and money, and I regret this purchase. So I just wanted to share this with you guys and pass along what I have learned with this. If you have one of these and you have success, do drop a comment. I'm curious to see what your thoughts are on this, but I suspect this is a tool designed to solve a problem when there really wasn't, in fact, a problem. And now that you know what not to do with Anderson power poles, take a look at this video where I show you how to properly install an Anderson power pole.